Great. So I'll talk briefly about the technology development breakout group. Generally speaking, I want to start from a high level. What is unique about the lunar environment and the base camp facilities that we'll have access to? What are the things we expect? What things would we like to have there? And then from there, I'd like to home in on what sort of technologies could be derived from either the science activities, exploration, etc. It's going to be a little predictive, right? Because who can really predict where the technologies are going to be developed? But I think we should at least focus on what are the things we know. Some of the categories I expect that we'll be talking about will be in situ resource utilization, ISRU, what sort of things can occur on the lunar surface via scientific investigations that then increase ISRU capabilities, what sort of human support systems are going to be developed for the lunar surface that then can be refined and tested via all the scientific activities that are underway. Then there's also a lot of opportunities in surface mobility. I think that's a topic we'll touch on. What sort of improvements, enhancements should we expect? Thank you, science exploration, science activities going on that could then benefit mobility development, and of course, energy as well. Thermal is a very big consideration for anything on the lunar surface. I think there's a lot of opportunities in the energy realm as well. So I think from those kind of major topics, we can boil it down into what sort of things we would expect to see being developed for technologies there. What are other capabilities that we'd like to see in the future? I think this is something that kind of goes into the NASA architecture document. If folks are familiar with that, and that's not a prerequisite or anything, but I think that there's certain things that are outlined there that do a good job at emphasizing what sort of technology we would like to see or NASA would like to see. What sort of things will that require? Is that something that we need to survive the night tape capability for, or any other energy or thermal capabilities as well? So I want to talk a little bit about that side of it, kind of going from what we know to what we would like to have on the surface. And then additionally, I think we should also be talking about what sort of testing facilities we would need terrestrially also, as well as on the lunar surface for some of the validations of any sort of technology development. So looking forward to a very robust conversation. And yeah, please come by. Happy to chat. Looking forward to the breakout session.